Hello everyone, myself Ayushi. I am from 7th class. Today I am going to tell you about benefits of physical activity in student life. The general idea of physical education mostly misunderstood since it has not been the right importance it deserves. Some people may think physical education is the merely letting the student throw a ball during the time recess. But it is not the case. It has a much more depth to it rather than just involving a ball. It includes various efforts such as making young students more energetic and sporty. Physical education teaches students about the various kinds of healthy nourishment and sustenance that is good for keeping up the metabolism of their body. Hence, PT and physical fitness should be made an essential part of the curriculum and should be taught to adolescents of all levels. Physical education is only the subject that make your heart race. Thank you.
Good morning all of you. My name is Anushka. I am in class 7. Today's my topic is benefit of exercise in student life. There are many type of exercise that we may participate in. We may play badminton, basketball, netball or whatever games that we prefer. We may also jog, swim, walk or climb a mountain. Older folks prefer less strenuous exercise like yoga, leisurely stroll in the park. For the really fit young people, there are rock climbing and gymnastics and other physical demanding activities. We exercise to keep the body healthy. However, there are some who overdo things and even up injuring themselves. It is fine to jog for a few kilometers. It is a madness to jog until we are exhausted. Also, there are people who become addicted to their exercise. They become unhappy when they are unhappy to exercise or when they lose to someone in a competition. Exercise is important. No exercise may result in a weak body. Too much exercise may result in injury. Neither exercise are good. It is up to us to be sensible exercise. Thank you.
My name is Umang. I am studying in 7th grade. Now I present a topic on benefits of physical activities in students' life. Better focus in school. अगर हम रोज फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज़ में पार्टिसिपेट लेंगे तो हमारा ब्रेन एक्टिव रहेगा और हमारी मेमोरी इम्प्रूव होगी और हमें सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलेंगी. हमारा पढ़ाई में ध्यान अच्छा लगेगा. इम्प्रूव स्कूल अटेंडेंस. स्टूडेंट्स हु पार्टिसिपेट इन रेगुलर फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज़, यानी कि अगर स्टूडेंट रेगुलर बेसिस में फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज़ में पार्टिसिपेट करेगा तो वो बीमार कम पड़ेगा. इससे उसकी अटेंडेंस इम्प्रूव बिल्ड ए स्ट्रॉन्ग हेल्थी बॉडी. अगर लोग स्टूडेंट्स फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज़ में रोज़ पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे तो उनका ब्लड प्रेशर हाई कम रहेगा और डिजीज से अलर्ट है. इम्प्रूव स्लीप क्वालिटी. अगर वो फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज़ करेंगे स्टूडेंट तो वो उनको नींद अच्छी आएगी और उनके आँखों के नीचे डार्क सर्कल्स नहीं पड़ेंगे और उनकी स्लीप बेटर आएगी स्लीप और फिर उनसे वो अपनी ड्रीम्स पूरी करेंगे. मोर एनर्जी. रेगुलर बेसिस स्टूडेंट फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज़ करेंगे तो वो काम अच्छे से करेंगे सारे और उनको स्कूल में लर्निंग करने में भी मज़ा आएगा और वो फिर क्लासेस को भी इंजॉय करेंगे. इट्स फन. स्टूडेंट्स के लिए फिजिकल एक्टिविटी एक इम्पोर्टेंट सोर्स है जिससे वो जैसे खेलते हैं या घर का काम करते हैं, वो भी एक तरह से उनके लिए फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज़ है. थैंक यू.
Evening, respective teacher. Today I am going to discuss about physical activity in students' life. So, do you know what is physical activity? Any body movement that works on your muscles and uses more energy than resting. It is the definition of physical activity. So, what happens when you do physical activity? Our body fat get decreases, amount of muscle increases, strength increases, bone strength increases, and blood pressure decreases. So, do you know how much physical activity to do per day? It depends on your age. If you are 5 years to 17 years old, you have to do 60 minutes per day physical activity. And if you are 18 years to 64 years old, so you have to do 30 minutes per day physical activity. Thank you.
Hello, I am Vikash of class 7. Today I will tell you about some benefits of doing physical activities. First, boosts memory. Second, improves strength. Third, build healthy bones and muscles. Fourth, reduce the symptoms of anxiety and depression. Can positively affect on memory and behavior in classroom. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Mahi from class 7. Today I am going to presenting an activity that was based on the topic benefits of physical activity in students. Being physical active and fit holds utmost importance, especially among today's younger generation, who is busy enjoying the luxurious of mobile, laptop and TV at an alarming rate and are not active and spirited on our daily. Watching TV, mobile, playing, etc. might be their way of neutralizing the stress of school, but it also can lead to physical problems. The important thing is to get some physical activity as to leads fit. It is essential to remain active. Physical activity helps children to better focus in school, better academic performance, build a strong and healthy body, reduces risk of anxiety and depression, develops better social and problem solving skills, build self-confidence, prevents chronic disease, increases energy events, improves school attendance, improves sleep quality. Higher physical activity and physical fitness levels are associated with improved cognitive performance, example concentration, memory among students. Thank you. Good morning all of you. My name is Akshat. I am from class 7. Today I am going to presenting an activity on the topic of benefits of physical activity in students' life. Being physical active and fit holds utmost importance, especially among today's younger generation who is busy enjoying the luxurious of mobile, laptop and TV at an alarming rate, are not active and spirited on a daily basis. Watching TV, mobile, playing, etc. must be their way of neutralizing the stress of school, but it can lead to physical problems. The important thing is to get some physical activity as to keep fit. It is essential to remain active. Physical activity helps children to first better focus in school, better academic performance. Third, build a strong and healthy body. Fourth, reduce risk and anxiety of depression. Fifth, develops better social problem solving skills. Sixth, build self-confidence. Seven, prevents chronic disease. 8, increase energy levels. 9, improves school attendance. 10, improves sleep quality. Higher physical activity and physical fitness levels are associated with improved cognitive performance, for example, concentration, memory among students. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Meenakshi Meena. I am studying on class 7. Today I will explain
exercise makes our body keep fit and keep creation disease away from or in today world physical exercise has become unnecessary because children spend time in front of the television or computer screen. Lack of physical leads to among children which affects them mentally and physical escape. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Shivan Sharma. I study in class 7th A. The benefits of physical activity. It improves attention and memory, brain health, reduces the risk of depression, muscular fitness, builds strong muscles and endurance, heart and lung health, and long-term health, and bone health, and healthy weight. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Akash Yadav of class 7. I am showing you about the topic benefits of physical activity. First point, reduce your risk of the heart attack. Second, manage your weight better. Third, have lower blood pressure. Fourth, lower your risk of the fit. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Aarti Sharma. Benefit of physical activity: improve your memory and brain function, protect against many infectious diseases, aid in weight management, lower blood pressure, and improve heart health. Improve your quality of sleep, reduce feeling of activity and decision, combat cancer-related finger, include left span, maintain muscle strength and balance diet. Thank you, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Shreya Upadhyay from class 7th A. My English holiday homework. The topic based on benefit of physical activity. Regular physical activity is one of the most important thing you can do for your health. Being physical activity physical activity can improve our brain health, help manage weight. Thank you.